When your project is targeting devices that end users employ to do their work or to use at home to enrich their lives, we have an enormous variety of different ways to approach that testing. One thing that we're well known for is benchmarks. There are benchmarks for web browsing, like we tend to favor WebExpert. There are benchmarks for battery life. There are benchmarks for office productivity. There are benchmarks for AI functions. For all the latest AI-enabled technologies, things like Copilot, we can also put them to the test. We can use them to do different functions and show how your PC, perhaps enriched with neural processing units, is performing so much better than a competing product or than an earlier generation product. Everything we've talked about so far has to do with performance at some level, or suitability to task, or how good different devices are at meeting your needs for the applications you run on them. One thing we care about is how durable are they? Whatever it is in durability that you would like to measure, we can do that. We can put the client devices in a special climate oven, can make it hot, can make it rain, can make it cold. We can drop them. We have a drop table for that purpose. We can exercise their hinges. All kinds of tests that we can do for durability are available to you. People are also talking about repairability. Do I have to replace my device, or can I repair it? Can I repair it myself, or must I send it off for service, or must I pay somebody? And that is something that we've done studies in, where we can show which devices are easier for people to repair at home or in their business. And another aspect of client-side devices that is increasingly important is sustainability. We can write about what your company's sustainability practices are. We can point out the key things in your packaging, in the material constructions. These things matter as we're all trying to take a more environmentally conscious approach to all the objects that we use. Whatever the work that your target audience is doing, we can create workflows and find benchmarks that tell stories that will resonate with them.